In this video, I will show you how to create AI talking avatar that can speak like this.
Welcome to this video news template. Create videos to report breaking news. The video starts here. Add your channel's logo and improve the identity of your channel. Tell key information, including who, what, when, where, and why of the story. Use clear and concise language and keep the content brief. This is the video ending. Add your channel ID and use it as a video watermark.
So you'll be using this software, guys, okay, to create these kind of AI talking avatars for free, guys. You can get started using for free with this software. Remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, guys, to Vidnose AI to generate your own free AI talking avatar, guys. Okay, so what you can see actually, guys, I'm in access with the Vidnose AI. It comes with 442 AI speaking avatars that you can choose based on your preferences that you want this avatar to do, guys. Okay, so you can just go here and see all of these templates that comes with these avatars, guys. Okay, as you can see that, okay, this is the news AI avatar. Let's preview this one. It's a news AI avatar. I'm just gonna click here. I think they talk about the weather.
Welcome to this video template. Create videos to tell a new story. Here you can paste a script and clearly convey the main points of the story. The video ends. Ask people to
wow, this is so good, guys. Like, this is so good. This is so good, man.
Welcome to this video template.
So as you can see that, okay, this is an AI news channel, guys, okay, that you can use, okay, maybe talk about weather or maybe talk about anything. That those are the things that you can do with this software. But there's so many templates, okay, that you can choose from using this software. So what I'm gonna do, let me show you some of the AI talking avatars that you can use. Okay, I'm just gonna scroll down. As you can see that these are some of the AI avatars that you can use. And also these avatars, guys, they comes with clone voice. You can able to clone your own voice. You can also clone your own voice. This is a new feature that Vidnose AI just recently published. When you click here to clone voice, what's gonna happen is that you can able to use your own voice here with this software, so that you can use your own voice. It's gonna be much better, guys. Okay, but you can also use some of these voices that comes with this software because they have so amazing voices. Let me just preview some of these voices for you. As you can see that there are so many voices with any language, guys. As you can see that this is the language. You can also choose any language that you want. Okay, you can also change the gender or male or female. So let me just preview some of these voices for you. I'm just gonna click here for Lisa in South Africa. I'm in South Africa. Let's just see how does it sound like.
Vidnose AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So it sounds so good. It sounds so good. So what I'm gonna do, let's create an AI talking avatar. I'm just gonna click here to go home. I'm gonna click here to home. Let's create a talking AI avatar to give you some of the features that this software does or this software can do. Which one should I choose? As you can see that these AI talking avatars, these are some of the recommended. If you say that you wanna use for YouTube videos or maybe for Instagram Reels or any social media platform, you can just use these avatars. Let's give it some time. It takes my internet connection, it is so slow. Let's give it some time. Let me just pause it. I'll come back when it's done. So these are AI avatars that you can choose from, as you can see that. Or let's just use this one, HR manager. I'm just gonna click here and preview. Or you can also use this sales one. I'm just gonna click here. You can also do the same thing. You can also preview them.
Vidnose AI brings your idea to high
internet connection
quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So as you can see that what you can do, you can also just click here, guys, and then let me delete this one. You can just click here and then click here to generate a video with this AI avatar. And then what you can do, you can also choose the landscape. Maybe you wanna use for YouTube videos, you have to use 6.9 landscape. For social media platforms, or let's say for Pinterest Reels or Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels or TikTok, you can also use the portrait one, but let's just use this one. I'm just gonna click here to generate a video. So it's gonna, when I click here to generate a video, this is whereby that I can able to paste my own script that I can use my own script, or you can just use ChatGPT or any AI content writer out there to write a script for you automatically. Let me go to ChatGPT. While it's loading, because when I take a script from ChatGPT, that will be using to Vidnaz AI to generate a script for us. Let's give it some time to load it up. I'm just gonna go here to ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm gonna say to ChatGPT, write for me why AI avatars. Okay, I'm saying why AI avatars can make you money. Is it? I'm just gonna say how can I make money? How can I make money using AI avatars? I'm just gonna click here to submit. So when I click here to submit, ChatGPT is gonna write a content for me about this content that I asked ChatGPT to do. As you can see, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna copy this. I'm just gonna copy this content. I'm gonna go back here to Vidnaz. As you can see that, so with Vidnaz, you can just delete this script here. You can just paste the script that you took from ChatGPT. It is so easy to use. Okay, it is so easy to use, and you can just gonna click here and then try to paste it. Let's do it again. I'm gonna paste the script that I took from ChatGPT. You can also choose the AI voice. Okay, if you don't like this one, you can also choose the AI voice. You can also add some subtitles, and then after that, you can just gonna click here to generate. Just click here to generate the video. You can also upload your own voice, guys. Okay, you can just click here to upload your own voice. You can upload your own voice. Okay, so now let me pause the video. I'll come back when it is done generating this video. When it is done, let's just play the video. So guys, it is done now. I'm gonna play the video for you.
Create AI avatars with unique personalities and use them as virtual influencers for brand endorsements and promotions. Partner with companies to feature the avatars in their marketing campaigns.
Wow, as you can see that there's this hand movement or the body movement. Okay, it sounds so beautiful. So what you can do, you're just gonna click here to download it. It's gonna be downloaded straight on your laptop, guys. Okay, so if you wanna get an access with Vidnaz to create this kind of AI talking avatars for free, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get an access with Vidnaz AI. If you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care and may God bless you. Good luck, sharp guys.